Well, that was weird. I think my live stream timed out for a second. It threw everybody out. That kind of sucks. I went ahead and sent out more links to the Discord and Telegram. I don't know why it did that. That doesn't make any sense to me. Huh. Maybe it was too long that the timer was going on. I have no idea. No idea why that happened. That's crazy. What's up, Portal Mind? How you doing, bro? Welcome in. Thanks for joining. I think I just might have ruined my live stream just by doing that. That's crazy. Well, that's okay. Nevertheless.
Aha!
That sucks. Oh man, I don't even know what happened. Why did that even happen? All right. Well, anyways, I got people in here right now, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So everything having a little bit of a red day. Not too bad though. Nothing's dropped dramatically. We got Bitcoin sitting just under 3% for the day. Ethereum just kind of hanging out right there in the middle, not really doing much. KNC up 11.5%. Cool. That's awesome. Let's see what else we got here. OGN up 22% today. Crazy. ENJ 12%. That's doing pretty good. Polymath 14%. EGLD 10%. So there's definitely some movers. Oh, hey, did it break? It did. We were looking at this one yesterday. It broke out of its parallel channel. Wow. That's massive. That's really bullish. Really bullish for STX. Bitcoin just kind of chilling out. Not really doing much right now. Hey, thanks Firefly. Or Fire Life, sorry. Thanks for joining the Telegram. What's up, Booty Ranger? How you doing? Welcome. Thane of Chaos, hello. How are you? VIP. We're here now. I don't know what happened, man. That was I just lost all the people who were in here. Like the live stream just stopped. I don't know why. No, I have no idea why I did that. It's crazy. So yeah, Bitcoin's just moving sideways right now, but that's okay. That's good. We want Bitcoin to move sideways. That gives alts a chance to go up, like we were talking about. Look at KNC, 11%. Even Ripple. Ripple's even up today. Wow, I drew that Fibonacci so long ago. So long ago, but wow, it's being respected like crazy. This is before I changed all my settings on my Fibonacci's. All of my settings are changed now. This is the 618. The bottom lines is 618. The top ones is 786 up here. Those are really the doors. Those are really the important ones. But I added the other fib lines just to give more perspective on where we could possibly be going. I feel like it's more accurate. Way more accurate. But wow, look at that. Perfect bounce right down there. How's the live stream look, guys? I changed the settings. The quality's probably going to be a lot better. You're probably going to be hearing my GPU fan going off in the background because that's what it's going to be running off of. It was running off of my CPU before, and I got this big old bad graphics card in my computer, so why not? Why not use it? Might as well. But yeah, Bitcoin moving sideways today. We are above the 382, which is good. We're looks like we're having a bit of support there right now. That's good. Let's continue to see that. Let's get that support. Let's get that bounce off, and let's go try to break $50,700 again. I don't think that's a matter of if, it's when. Probably with, usually over the weekend. Weekends are not too exciting. Hey, what's up, VIP? Thank you, sir. Thank you for the 10. You want to do one? We'll do Harmony for sure, bro. We're definitely going to be doing. We'll do Harmony. It's a good looking coin. Portal Mind quality is great. I could see a lot more. Yeah, no, it is. It's a whole lot better. I'm enjoying this layout much more. I see people are kind of switching over. I think they're realizing that the live stream got cut off. I don't know what happened. I really don't. Maybe the timer was too long and then it just cut itself off after a certain time. Live and learn. I didn't know that. Had no idea. Where's Bitcoin on the indicators though? I want to see where the MACD is right now and the RSI. Starting to print. We did have a cross right here. Not too bearish. Not too bearish. We're starting to print a little bit red on the histogram. We'll see where that lays out. Not really sure. What's up, Carl R? Hello. Screen looking crystal clear. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad. I really. Looking really good. I'm glad I was able to. It was, yeah, that was Carl. That was you, Carl. Dude, I'm so glad you said something. I'm so happy you said something yesterday because I was like, you know what? This guy's right. I got to figure this out. It took me probably like 2.5 hours last night messing with all the settings, tweaking it to try to get it as clear as I could. I had no idea how to do it. No idea. But, yeah, Bitcoin just hanging out. That's okay. We don't have to be pumping every single day. Just kind of going sideways. Going to be finding its ground. At least we're not going lower. Hey, right? At least we're not down here. 43,000. We're sitting at a comfortable $48,000 right now. Let's see what happens. We could possibly drop further. Maybe. Come down here to the 236. $46,000. You know what? I need to get Mystic in here. Mystic, are you in here? Say something in the chat, but if you are in here. Let me see if I can pin him real quick. Mystic. Had a new one. Dang. That sucks. I hate that happened. Anyways, so Bitcoin going sideways. What are we doing? Are we creating a resistance line? Is this resistance right there? Maybe, possibly. What kind of pattern is this? Do we have a support? Let's see. We have maybe that right there. We got 2 touches. If we go ahead and we extend that left, does it line up with anything? No. No. This is what I like to do in TA. I just like to mess around to see what's going on. Where are the possibilities? Where are we really going to be going? Is really my question. Maybe you have something possibly right here. That's an area of support. Not really sure. Why is that line so... There we go. I'm not really sure. Maybe we're forming some kind of descending triangle, which is actually kind of bearish, right? Maybe it'll do something like that before it gets the breakdown. I don't think so. I don't think so. We only have 1 touch right here, and then the last support was back here. So I'm not exactly sure if that's going to be right. I don't think so. I don't know. Just messing around. But anyways, I want to make sure Mystic gets back in here before we do his TA, because he had requested to do Stellar. But for the meantime, we could do VIPs. We'll do one. We'll do one right now, and then we'll do Stellar afterwards. Just to make sure because the live stream cut out. I have no idea what happened. I have no idea. Just out of the blue. Done. Where's one? Harmony. Harmony. There's so many coins in here. I have it charted already, and I don't... Here it is. I didn't want to grab another one. Oh, wow, look at that. Hey, okay, so we were in this triangle the last time, and it broke to the downside. But look where you got your support over here on Harmony. Let me just move this out a little bit more so you guys can see the Fibonacci levels. So you broke down out of this triangle the last time we looked at Harmony. You went down, but look what your support was. That was when Bitcoin dumped. We had that recent dump. Went to the golden mean ratio. That's good. That's really good. That was the big area of support. You can see that when we broke that resistance, it became support right here. It came back and it tested it again. And man, it's really been going off. It looks like it's breaking the 2618 right now, which is really good. What's that percentage from the bottom to the top? What? Get out of here, dude. Are you kidding me? 94%? What was that drop? That had to be like 50% drop. Yeah. 56% drop. Ouch. But dang, what an area to pick up some more Harmony. Right, guys? That's impressive. I can't believe that. Actually, I can. It's crypto. Oh, yeah. Look at that negative momentum. Still negative momentum moving to the upside. You tried to dip down on your histogram over here, and it didn't want to do it. Negative momentum moving to the upside. That's really good. It tried to go down and it said, nope.
Nope.
You get in your cross right now, and it looks like it's ready to go back up. You're not overbought at all. A lot of room to the upside on one. You know you can come over here at the about 90 on your RSI before having a pullback. That's a really high area. A second area that you can see on the RSI is this going to be over here. It's going to be on the 80. So the 80 and the 90 on the RSI, you can see where we have our pullbacks. Every time we come up and we hit the 80 on the RSI, we have a pullback. Pretty consistent throughout here. So, a lot of room to the upside. What is it doing right now? That's what I want to know. What are you doing right now? Let's clean this up. This is really messy. Get rid of that. And that. So you're sitting at the 2618 on our Fibonacci retracement. You're sitting at 3 cents. 3 cents right now. Once you break, which is looking really bullish. Oh, and mind you, we have this really long trend line going back. Let's see. Let's go to a weekly. Wow. Way back here. Massive trend line for one coin right now. Oh, I just deleted the wrong one. There it is. So you got this massive trend line for one coin coming back all the way over here to February 2000. Talking about a year. Actually, it was acting as support way back here. Look at this support that we had on that trend line. That was September of 2019. Wow. Support. You came back. Resistance, and holy good God, look at that green candle on a week. That was a good week. How much was that? That was a big 270% in a week. Knock your socks off. Amazing. You got above that resistance, and look, you came down real hard. Remember to that golden mean ratio right there, and you're getting the bounce off of it. You're above it. You are above that green resistance line. And you can kind of see it was toying with it. It was really toying with it. When you drop below, look at that resistance, and then resistance, and then you got above it, and you got to get this candle close above it. It's not confirmed yet. You still have 2 hours on this candle. You want to see that candle close above this resistance right there. Close that candle above. Get above the 2618 on your Fibonacci retracements. Scoot over a little bit. And you're going up to 5 cents. Boom. Confirm it straight up to 5 cents. That's the next target that I'm looking for on Harmony. Now, this is a pretty big Fibonacci. This Fibonacci is going all the way back to August of 2020. So, let's clear it all out. We know that we have to break that 618, that resistance that we're sitting at 3 cents right now, turn that into support, and let's go. But we have new data. Go from our swing high down to our swing low right there, and look what you're doing. That was a critical area for the long-term Fibonacci, but you're breaking into your 618. That's bullish, massively bullish. That's very good. Expect to have resistance up here at the 786. Let's make this bigger. Make that much bigger. Expect to have that resistance at the 786 over here. 3.5 cents about. Okay. You could blow through it. Totally. With the momentum that it's having right now, you could totally just blow right through it, come back and test the 786 and then take off. And then you're going to be doubling after that really easily. After you break 3 cents, 4 cents, which was the all-time high over here, we're going to at 3.8. Yeah. After that, we could be going up. Golden mean ratio right there. Expect that to be resistance, but not for long. Probably not for long. You're going to be going up much higher. Much higher. We have a goal. We have a target breakout. I'm sorry. Not a target breakout. We have a resistance level up at the 4618 over here at 11 cents. Close to 12 cents. That I'm good. Once you break that 786, that's what I'm looking for next. I know you guys are like, what? That's insane. Nope. Right there. You confirm that 786 at 3.5 cents. You get that confirmation and you get liftoff. Yeah. Over the next few weeks, months, that's going to be the next area that I'm going to be looking for. 11 cents on Harmony. And the way this thing moves, you guys saw it. You saw it. Look at this. From down here to up here, it's up 86%. Actually, if we go to the top of the wick, Go to the top of the wick, 94%, almost 100%, double your portfolio from just buying down there. And you know that was a good area to buy. How do you know that was a good area to buy? Well, if you go ahead, not the MACD, if you go ahead and take a look at the RSI, this bottom over here, right there, lines up perfectly with going below the 30 on the RSI. Going below the 30 on any chart, stock, crypto, whatever, is a buy signal. That is a buy signal for me. And look what happened right after. It didn't happen like exactly, right? Because indicators are lagging. But look at the MACD. You got your cross over here, and then you started printing green on your histogram. So you had a lot of indications telling you, a lot of variables. Okay? Variable number 1. Variable number 2. That was a buy. Big buy. And you would have been up. Double your portfolio. 1, looking really good. We need to stay above, currently, we need to stay above that 618. 3 cents. That was a psychological resistance, and you can see that all throughout back here. Resistance. Couldn't quite do it. Couldn't quite cut it. Right here, resistance. Resistance all throughout here. All throughout here as well. But look where it turned into support. Support, support, support. Broke down. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Support, support, support. In this structure right here, it's very important that you stay above the 3 cents. You don't want to get below 3 cents. That if you get rejected now, it's going to play out longer. It's probably going to be playing out a lot longer. But you've been testing this 618 for a long time. For a long time. It's time to move to the upside. And that's what the indicators are telling me. I want to go to a daily real quick, and I want to see what it looks like on our MACD. Yeah, look at that. If this is a long-term hold for you, and you're holding 1 right now, Harmony, this is a daily. This is really bullish. Look at this cross that you're about to get. You're about to print. You're already starting to taper off on your histogram over here. You're printing your light red bars, and you're about to start printing your green, however high that will go. But we knew this would happen. And how did we know that we were going to be going higher over here? You could draw this out just like that. Check out this hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence, plain sight, it's not even over. It hasn't even played out yet. You could probably still be, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a registered financial advisor. Anything that I say on here is just me sharing the data. I just want you guys to remember that. I forgot to say that at the beginning. That's the live stream got all messed up. Everyone got kicked out. It closed it for me, and I was like, "Are you kidding me?" Anyways, so your hidden bullish divergence, it hasn't played out yet. It's still wanting to play out. So the next move for one coin, for Harmony, could be massive. It really could be massive. And that's why I'm talking about this 11 cent area, the 4618. That's the goal. That's where you want to get to. And from now, from where we are right now, all the way to the top, 275%. Triple your portfolio. Maybe almost quadruple your portfolio with that. That's amazing. That's incredible. So, looking really bullish. I don't expect downside with one anytime soon. Just from what I'm seeing. And if you do, like I said, get rejected over here at the 618 and close below it and then drop below 2 cents, almost high 3 or almost 3 cents. And it's going to be taking a little bit longer. Bitcoin would have to dump for that to happen. And that's possible. I want you guys to know that, remember that at any time, Bitcoin could dump. It could take a dump, and then these altcoins would follow. But currently, that's not the situation. It's not the situation. So I'm looking to get close 618 up to 786. Get above the 786. You're gone. You're done. It's gonna be money.
It's over 9,000!
That was probably the wrong meme. Don't hate me for it. But anyways, yeah, that's Harmony. That's Harmony. We have our targets. We have our supports down here. At a total loss, like you do not want to go below the 618 over here. I'm sorry, the 236. 236 sitting at 2 cents. You do not want to close a candle below 236. If that happens, what are you going to do? You're going to run. You're going to get out. Like I said, not financial advice. It's not what I would suggest. So, one coin looking pretty good. On the meantime, you're about to get your cross on your daily for the MACD. Moving to the upside. Moving to the upside. Hidden bullish divergence hasn't even played out yet. You haven't even broke all-time highs. That's it. Plain and simple. Run and go. Did we get Mystic in here? Mystic, are you in here? There you are, buddy. What's going on, dude? Hey, Malin and Carlos. What's going on? Is Bitcoin dropping? What is it doing? Don't scare me like that. Is it really dropping? It could drop. That's fine. Go down. Oh, no. No, it's not. It's just doing Bitcoin things. Just bouncing around. Do we have a support level over here somewhere? Probably. Yeah, Mystic, I wanted to make sure that you were in here before I did Stellar. We're going to be doing Stellar next, but I just wanted to make sure because I don't want you to miss out. Hey, that's an area of support right there. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that area of support. Beautiful. Coming back way back here. Let me get rid of that. Look at this support. 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 You broke below it for a little bit, but you got above it. You got above it, and then look. When you were below it, it was resistance for that meantime. Resistance. You got above it. Support. Support. Looks like we could be getting the bounce right now. Let's watch it. Let's see what it does. Is that the bottom? Let's look at the... I just want to check out the MACD real quick to see if that's going to be the bottom. It's so hard to see on a 4-hour. It's very hard to see on a 4-hour. You would have to go in probably a lot closer to a 1-hour just to kind of... I don't like charting on the 1-hour, but to see where you're going to get these bounces, you got to zoom in. You got to zoom in. So, yeah, maybe you might be getting this cross right here. You still got 48 minutes before you get that cross. Red on the histogram is finishing up. If you break below that trend line, you're probably going to see a little bit further downside. And we're going to have to be looking at that horizontal support at that time, probably right there. You could get a bounce right there. We'll see. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. Okay, Mystic, you are here. Fantastic. If you guys are liking this content, let's see if we can get up to 70 likes. Where is... I have to go look through my book. My big old book for Stellar. Here it is. Oh man, it was kind of in this ascending triangle. Maybe it's not being respected. We have to adjust. We got to see what's going on over there. Let's get out of here real quick. Just take a look at price action. So you're still above your all-time high, or at least the last high in this Fibonacci, which was, oh my gosh, this is such a big chart. Yeah. Okay, that was not all-time high, but from where we took our fib from that swing high down to the swing low, way down here. We're talking about a long time, guys. We're talking about 2018. This is a massive Fibonacci. A massive Fibonacci. So you got above all of your hard resistances already. These were all of the hard resistances up until that 786. Once you got above that 786, it's a cakewalk. It's a cakewalk after that. Yeah, you're going to have some pullbacks. That's what charts do. They take breaks. It's healthy for them. That's what we want to see. That's very healthy. What's up, Sido? How you doing? Alt season. We're here, dude. We're here right now. A lot of people don't think so. But we're taking a bit of a healthy consolidation period before we have the next liftoff. For sure, dude. Absolutely. What's up, Craig? I love the Bitcoin drops. Keep buying more. Good. You should. You really should. Too easy. Welcome, dude. How you doing? Welcome. Thank you for joining. Carl Voodoo's in here. Navid, hello? Should I stick to smaller alts or should I go for Ethereum? I don't know, man. I really don't. That's really going to be up entirely to you. Entirely to you. So, let's see. What are we doing right now? So, you're above the 35 cent area, which is good. You got the bounce. Not once, but twice right here. Let me get rid of that line real quick and this one right here. You're probably still within that ascending triangle. maybe my lines weren't correct before. Maybe you're still something like that. But when you have these patterns that break out of their structures, like right here, where you have your support, resistance, and then you broke down a little bit, that means that the breakout's going to be a lot stronger. Billy Bob's fireworks, dude. I wish I had some fireworks. Thank you for the 10, dude. I really appreciate that. We're going to add Loom to the list. Thank you, sir. Really appreciate you. So, like I was saying, you're breaking out of the pattern and coming back into the pattern, which, according to Balkowski, this forms a stronger breakout. You can have a much stronger breakout. It's not that long. It's not that long of a pattern. I mean, this is only going back to February 23rd. Not that long. Week and a half, 2 weeks over here. And you are approaching the apex. You are approaching the apex. And when you get that breakout, let's see. What is that target? We can take this target right here. We're going to use our golden mean ratio as our resistance. Going down to the support. Rat. Chong. And then put it to the breakout. And that, let's say the breakout happens right there. Let's say it happens right there. That's about the apex. It won't be perfect. But nevertheless, it doesn't really matter where you put the breakout because you have a horizontal resistance over here. So your breakout target is to 52 cents, which is going to be a resistance short term. Just because we go up and we hit the resistance doesn't mean it's not going to keep going up. You can see how it's resistance, resistance, resistance all throughout here. And then it had the drop. So the fact that you're putting in this structure right now and you're looking for that breakout to the top to go test it again, that's good. That's good. Is that going to happen? Let's see. Do we have any leading indicators telling us that might happen? Possibly. Possibly. MACD currently getting it's getting real tight. You can see how it's getting really tight in here within this area. You got this box right here. Getting real tight, really indecisive. Normally, that's what happens. Normally, you just kind of go flat on your MACD before you have a breakout to the upside. MACD's not really telling me anything. We're just kind of, like I said, in an indecision area. We don't know where Stellar is going to be going. But typically, with the ascending triangles like this is a bullish pattern. That's a bullish pattern all day. So, breakout, come back, get the retest, and you're going to be going up much higher. Much higher. Going to be breaking the 618. Probably going up to the 2618 and then the 4618. So this structure already has a target of coming up to the 4618. Excuse me. So the 4618 over here is sitting at $1.52. I think that can happen probably within the next few months. You're not overbought on your RSI at all. Not even a little bit. A lot of room to the upside. A lot of room to the upside. Let's see what happens. Let's continue to track it. Let's see where it goes. If you break down, we could do the same thing. Same measured move. From here to here. We take that to the break. Let's say if it happens right here. And you get the breakdown. That's okay. That's okay. You can see that was a massive area of support back here. Right here. It was resistance all throughout here. So that's a pretty important area for support. Doesn't mean it's over. It won't be looking good at that point. It might take a lot longer to do whatever it's going to do before we start moving back up. We are in a bull market. What's up, Patrick? Welcome, dude. Thank you for coming. Got the Thane of Chaos. Hello, how are you? Dre, I got a drip. What? Dre, I got a drip? Is that like a drug reference? We don't talk about drugs in here. No, sir. Why are most altcoins dropping all of a sudden? Well, that's because Bitcoin's having a little bit of a negative day. Not much. Not too much. Just a little drop. A little baby one. We're gonna go back to Bitcoin to see if that line was gonna be holding up because it looks like it was being played out right now. So, on Stellar, stay above your 30, 31 cent area. Drop below 30, 31 cents, you're done. You're out. You need to go.
Run.
But it's not looking like that's going to happen. Like I said, this is a bullish formation. I think you're going to have a breakout to the upside. Okay, so we have our supports, we have our targets, we have our long-term targets. Like I said, long Fibonacci, big Fibonacci, huge Fibonacci. This is all the data I have. So this to me is the all-time high back here. I'm sure I can find another chart. There's probably more data to it or something. I don't know. But nevertheless, look at this structure. Look at this big old bottom, this double bottom down here. Somewhere, I guess that was not a double bottom. Oh, you know what? That was a inverse head and shoulders. For sure. Inverse head and shoulders played out to the upside. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you. Yeah, dude, Stellar looking good. I don't think it's going anywhere. Has really low gas fees. People love to use Stellar to move crypto, and the project in itself is a good project. It's a brand. People know it really well. What's up, David? David Bell. Hey, from the UK. Got your book. Just waiting for it to arrive. Nice, dude. My book is available on Amazon. Link is down below. It's saying that it's sold out, but that's impossible because my printer prints when it orders. So as soon as you order, they print it and they ship it. Amazon's got some kind of weird algorithm or whatever it does. It just kind of shows you, oh, hey, this book sold out. It's really scarce. No, it's not. You can still order it and it's going to come in on time perfectly like it always does. Don't ever do that again. Was that too loud? Oh my gosh. Guys, was that loud? Let me drop it. Let me drop that down. Oh my god, you're right. It was super loud. Okay, I dropped it down. I don't know why my settings didn't save. That's crazy. Oh man, I'm so sorry, guys. Are your ears bleeding right now? Yikes. Hello, Crypto. Or hello, Grenade. Can you touch on new Cypher? We can. We're doing $10 minimum contributions. For the price of lunch, I can do a live TA for you. Everyone can see it. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. Down below, bottom left corner, you got the smiley face, and then you have the little money symbol down there. Let's take a look at Loom. We were charting this one back here. Oh yeah, that's right. Loom, did it get the bounce? It did. It did get the bounce. Okay, we had these areas of resistance and support I drew separately out of the Fibonacci. It looks like Loom, you had your dip. Let's move over. I'm so sorry that it was so loud. Yikes. You had your high up here. Let's see. You went up and hit 21 cents, 21 and a half cents, and then you dropped with the Bitcoin drop all the way down to 7 cents. Ugh. Oh my gosh. 63% drop. But look at the buying. Look at all the buying that people were doing. Look at that wick. That's massive. Huge wick. Lots of buying moving into the upside and it's shifting. It's shifting right now, and you were being held down. Let's go to a 4-hour. You were being held down by the golden mean ratio. Your golden mean ratio was resistance all throughout here. Look, even right here. Boom. Broke out. You hit resistance next at the 1414 on your Fibonacci, and it looks like you're trying to come back and you're going to test that golden mean ratio for support. It could go back down to 12.8, 12 cents, high 12 cent area. That's very possible. So, if that happens, is that, well, you know what? Let me see where we're at. This is a 4-hour. We have the RSI. Yeah, you're not overbought at all. A lot of room to the upside. You're starting to have that shift almost a bit. Is that a 3? No, that's not. I was going to say this might be a 3 rising valleys. No, not even close. But you did come and test the support 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Heavy area of support. If you drop down, you... Yo, what's up, Edison? Edison Cruz. Hey, thanks for the 10, bro. I really appreciate that. Do you want to take a look at a coin, bro? Let me know. Let me know. Make sure you guys are adding the coins that you want to see within your super chats or your super stickers. Super chats or super stickers to let me know. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Edison. I'll be looking for your coin in just a little bit. So, let's see. You had your bullish cross down here. Wow, that's a pretty big gap between the 12 and 26 day moving average on your oscillator right there. You're printing green. On the histogram, you got about an hour and a half until that candle closes. So this bar could continue to go up or, but that really, what's up? Hey, thanks for the 10 euros. Is that Tybad? Tybed? Sorry if I mispronounce the name. I'm terrible. I can't read. I can only read charts. Give us a new cipher, TA. Yeah, dude. You got it. Gonna add it to the list right now. Hey, Grenade, sure. Expand on new cipher. Oh, someone beat you to it, man. Pick another coin. Pick another one. We can do it. So you have your gap over here. It looks like it's trying to curve over, but like I said, you could probably still come down and test that high 12-cent area for support. Don't break below 12 cents. Not right now. Not like this. Don't do it right now. No. You need to stay above that area. It took you a while. It was hard resistance all throughout here. Hard resistance. You turned it into support, broke below it. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Dude, you just don't want to get below high 12 cents. Do not close a candle below that. Especially do not get, if you get the bounce over here at 11 cents, 11.6, okay. Okay. But you got to get the bounce and you got to get back up. That would be pretty bearish to me. You're already having all of this movement. All of this movement to the upside. You see the difference in this downtrend over here? This downtrend, and it really ended, it put in this pattern over here, and it ended like right here. Somewhere over there. So you're moving to the upside. Get above your 14 cents and turn that into support, dude, and you're looking really good. Your next area of resistance after that is at 16 cents. That's at the 1618. Get above that 1618. Here, let's get rid of this. Get above that 1618, dude. And I kid you not, the next resistance is 20 cents. 20 cents. Next resistance at that, 25. And it's funny how these Fibonacci's are going along with these psychological resistances. It's interesting. So, get above. Get above 14 cents, dude. You need to get a candle close above 14 cents before you can take off. Looking pretty good right now. We have our supports. Like I said, don't get below 12 or 12.8. Don't get below 12.8. Stay above that. Stay above that. You're already making newer high over here. It is higher. Not much, but it is. That's a new high right there. I think Bitcoin is just taking a bit of a break right now. Yeah, look, we're getting the bounce right now. Let's wait for it to close. But look, getting that bounce off right now. Maybe we could see some more upside. If we catch that bounce, then yeah. Then we can go over to Loom. Where'd you go? You can go back to Loom and say, okay, cool. That bounce is probably just going to be like around right on this area, and you're going to be going up. So we have our targets. We have our supports. That's what we're looking for. That's it. That's all I got for you. Looking good, though, dude. Bullish, okay? Looking bullish. Double bottom. W for win. Right there. Don't be shaken out. Have confidence. Feel good about it. It's looking good. It's looking good. Just needs a little bit of a break. So, okay. Moving on. Hey, yeah, dude, Edison. Someone beat you to it. They said it in their super chat. They wanted to take a look at new cipher. We're going to be taking a look at new cipher next. Yeah, we did Stellar, 1, Loom. Now we're doing new cipher. Okay, awesome. Let me get some. I got some tea. It's a beautiful snowy day here in Colorado. It's about to dump here pretty soon. It doesn't help that my driveway is 100 feet long. I'm not joking. It's super long. It's stupid. You know how hard it is to shovel all that? It takes me almost 2 hours to shovel the driveway. I'm going to get I need to get a snowblower because that's ridiculous. It's a good workout. It's a really good workout. If you guys didn't know that, I'm from Colorado. Living over here in the Monument. It's between Colorado Springs and Denver. It's pretty high altitude. I think I'm sitting at like 7,400 feet. 7,400 feet above sea level. So we get a lot of weather up here. It gets really cold. I live in a forest. I live in a real live forest. Miles. Huge. It's called Black Forest. Someone's going to probably look me up. Come try to find me. Come on over, dude. Come on over. Let's hang out. Let's hang out. You can help me shovel my driveway. What's up, Keith? How you doing? Dash, dash, dash. DGB, DGB. Dude, we did DGB yesterday. And they don't call it dash for nothing, dude. They don't call it dash for nothing. Hey, Jones. Jones, oh wait. Hey, let's see. If you could pick on coin to take off, what would it be? What? Doesn't make any sense. I think you meant to say is if you could pick a coin that's going to take off, what would it be? If I had to choose a coin that I think is going to pump right now, I don't know. I really don't. That's a hard one. That really is a hard one. Man. A coin to explode. I don't know, dude. I really don't. I don't know which coin that would be. That's really the question that we all want to hear. Or that's the answer that everybody wants to hear. Is which coin's going to rip? Which one's going to take off? I don't know, man. I really don't. What's up, sexy man B? There's that mana B. Why is Bitcoin dumping? Is it dumping? Guys, you're freaking me out over here. Everyone keeps saying Bitcoin is dumping. It's not dumping. We're only down 4%. 4%, guys. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's just going down a little bit. We're still in the structure. We don't know what the structure is on Bitcoin. We really don't. We have no... But if we were to compare... Okay, if we were to compare it to last time. The last time. I mean... It's hard to say. It really is really hard to say. Like, this obviously had a structure. We had a beautiful structure over here. We had a bull flag. Right here. We had our bull flag right about there. And we had a breakout target of, what was it? It was $58,000. Yeah, it was. It was $58,000. We got the breakout target. Did I show you guys that? How we got that? How we got that? Okay, I can show you. Do you guys care? We're going to look at New Cypher, I promise. But I just want to show you how we came up with that prediction. Okay, so you have a flag. And with every flag, you have a flag pull. And what you do is you can go from... Let me show you right here. You get your trend line, and you go all the way down to the base. All the way down to the base. Right here. That's your base. That's your flag pull. All the way down to the bottom, up to the top. That's the flag. Okay, now for visual... to visualize this, I'm going to get rid of that trend line. And I'm going to extend this one because it's hard for me to grab the trend lines this way. Anyway, either way. So, this is what you do. You grab a trend line, and you go from the top all the way to the bottom, and you're gonna match up this base down here, but you're going to go vertical. So look at your lines, look at your dotted lines, and go down to the bottom. Make sure it's straight. Right there. That's your measured move with this flag. And you go to the breakout. You take this... And you go to the breakout, right about, that was the breakout right there. Boom. And look. Look. That's no joke, guys. This is how you do TA. If you know these things and you're trading the markets, you can make a lot of money. When we got the breakout over here, I started scooping up more Bitcoin. I started scooping up more. I'm like, boom, that's our breakout target. We use cold, calculated, and robotic strategies to determine where we're going to be going and where our exits are, where our entries are. We don't use emotion. Do not get emotional within crypto. Bitcoin is doing beautiful things right now. It's amazing. Beautiful, amazing things. And it's playing out. Okay? We hit our target perfectly. I mean, perfectly. Got that top right now, and we're taking a bit of a break. Okay, cool. It's just being Bitcoin. It's just doing Bitcoin things. It's possible we could come back over here to $45,000 to get a test. We could even come back down and we can hit $40,000 or even $35,000. I'm not ruling that out. That's very possible. That could happen, but you shouldn't freak out because what's happening is you're having these big corporations, you're having these big whales, and they're selling. They're selling and they want to shake you out. They want you to see that big red day, and then you're like, I want to get out. I'm selling. Bitcoin's going to zero. And then what do? What do? This is what they do. The price gets pumped up. The whales sell. They drop the price. Everyone starts freaking out. People sell here. And then the whales come in and they buy here. They're just tricking you. Do not be tricked. Do not be tricked. Okay. That's Bitcoin. A lot of possibilities with Bitcoin, but I'm bullish. Guys, $100,000 by July. It's not if, it's when. That's going to happen. That is definitely going to happen with Bitcoin. We're just starting this bull run. Okay? Oh, I don't have my BLX chart. I'll have to pull up BLX. Wait a minute. No, this is it. We're on a weekly. Look at this bull run back here, guys. This is 2017's bull run. All the way back here. Here's our bull run right now. Come on, guys. There's so much room to the upside. Look at all these pullbacks that we had in Bitcoin. Look at all these pullbacks. Pullback, 30%, 30%, 30%, 40% pullback right there. 30%, 30%. These are totally normal, totally healthy. Do you have the patience? Do you have the confidence that Bitcoin's going to continue to go up? I do. You know what? Okay, we're going to get to New Cipher. I know you guys want to see New Cipher. Can I just show you the stock to flow model? Let me show you. If you haven't seen this already, you're going to be freaking out. Okay, I'm going to go over to BLX to do this because it's way more valid. There's way more data. You can see Bitcoin in its entirety all the way. Look at this. Okay, zoom out, guys. What are you worried about on Bitcoin? Look at this. It only goes up. It only goes up. What are you worried about? Don't worry about these little drops. Okay, stock to flow. S to F model. Do I have it saved? No, I don't think I do. So, okay, stock to flow model. Is it this one? Yeah. No. Stock to flow. What am I doing wrong here? Stock to flow. Which one is it? Is it that one? Nope, not that one. Come on. I should have saved this a long time ago. Stock to flow. Stock to flow rainbows. Stock to flow model. Oh, that's it. This is it right here. Okay. Yep, this is it. I want to show you something with the stock to flow. Okay, it's gonna freak you out. It's gonna blow your mind. You're gonna be really happy that I showed you this. This is on Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna do this for free. I'm gonna show you guys this for free right now. Okay, this is Bitcoin. And these are market cycle tops. This market cycle top back here was back in 2013, right here. This market cycle top over here was 2017. Okay, you have your bear market. Okay, you guys with me? Okay, we understand that. That looks really good. Back over here, right here, when Bitcoin had its halving over here in 2016, which it happened in about May over here. When that happened, our stock to flow shot up. It shot up and it started making this squiggly pattern over here. Little did we know, what did we do when we started making that squiggly pattern over there? We started making a support line. That was the support for the stock to flow right there. But look what happened over here. We made a support line for the bear market right there. That's your support line for the bear market. Okay, let's move on. Over here, Bitcoin, stock to flow. We had our halving in May of 2000. Yep, May. And then, boom, stock to flow went up. And now, we're moving across. We have a support. We have a support area right there. So, if you were back here in 2017, in this area, that was the cheapest that you ever would have gotten Bitcoin. That's the cheapest you ever would have got Bitcoin over here. You never would have been able to get Bitcoin for $2,800, $3,000 ever again. And that stock to flow shows you that right there. I believe that to be happening the same thing over here. I don't think you'll ever be able to get a $35,000, $40,000 Bitcoin ever again. I don't think that'll happen. I think it's over. So should you be buying Bitcoin right now? I think you can still make a profit, yes. Because here's my projected move for Bitcoin by the end of the year, okay? I'm projecting it realistically that Bitcoin is going to hit $280,000 by the end of the year. And that looks like something like about, that's a little high, somewhere around there, okay? $280,000. When we hit our market cycle top, history shows that we're going to be going through our bear market again. And if it happened like last time, this is going to be our bear market. Ew, that's a gross line. This is going to be our bear market right here. Where the bottom, come on, I can draw better than this. My daughter can draw better than that. I need to get it perfect. Right there. That's our bear market. And then we start resuming back up to the next bull market. Okay. With that, check this out. Okay. I want to show you something. Look at the 2013 market cycle top right there. Okay. We had our bear market coming all the way down over here. What drop was that? How much of a drop was it from the top to the bottom of the bear market? Well, we take our tool, we go from the top all the way to the bottom over here, and you're looking at about 84% drop to the bear market. Okay, what about 2017? Back over here. Look at that. 84% drop to the bear market. Interesting. Okay, you got my attention. What about from this top? $280,000? $280,000 down to the bear market. Look at that. 84% bear market. Down to the bear market right there. That is why I think $280,000 is a very realistic target for us by the end of this year. Very realistic, if not more. If not way more. This is what you do. This is not financial advice, but this is what I'm going to do, okay? I'm sorry, we need to get to new cipher. Somebody requested it. We're definitely going to do it, okay? I promise. Right here, let's say you buy one Bitcoin right now for $50,000. You buy a $50,000 Bitcoin, and we go all the way up to $280,000. You buy your one Bitcoin, and this is, like I said, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just messing around. You buy your one Bitcoin for $50,000. You hit your market cycle top using Pi cycle, your 21-day or 21-week moving average. There's so many different indicators that you can use to predict the top of Bitcoin. And if you subscribe to my channel, you're going to know about it. If you come over to the Telegram and the Discord, you're going to know about it. Hang out, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. That's what I do. This is what I do for a living, okay? So, you hit your market cycle top over here. Your one Bitcoin that was worth $50,000. You come over here and you sell it for $280,000. You now have $280,000 where you wait for the bear market to come all the way down to this bottom. You have your 84% retrace down to the bottom, and then you buy Bitcoin with that $50,000 that you had. Now $280,000. Now you can buy, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bitcoin? 5 Bitcoin comfortably. You turn your one Bitcoin into 5 Bitcoin over here. Are you willing to wait? We're talking about a couple years. Are you willing to wait to do that? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Because we already know what Bitcoin's doing. Okay? We already know. Look at this. This is 12 years worth of data. 12 years worth of data. This is going all the way back to 2010. Okay, 11 years. Sorry. Guys, it's not if, it's when. It is when this is going to happen, okay? I just wanted to show you that real quick. That's the stock to flow for Bitcoin. That's my prediction. $280,000 by the end of the year. I'm looking at about September. $100,000 by July. That's my opinion. That's just what I think is going to happen. Okay. Let's move over to new cipher. I know we had some people. Hold on, wait a minute. We had a couple of people. One second, guys. I need to go check that out. We had Edison. Edison wanted to look at new cipher, and then I told him someone beat him to it. So, Edison, did you tell me what coin you wanted to take a look at? I don't see it in here, Edison. I'm going to go ahead and wait. I'll check back. I just scrolled through the chat. I didn't see you say anything over here, Edison. But let me know. Someone else beat you to it. And we're going to be doing new cipher here right now. If you guys are enjoying this content, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it.
Bruh.
Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, let me know, Edison. And we'll check out another coin for you. New cipher right now. A lot of people disappointed. I'm reading the comments and I can't do anything else but just shake my head. I'm just like, really? We're down a little bit and everyone's losing confidence in new cipher? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is amazing. This chart is amazing. Okay, we had our swing high and our swing low, our Fibonacci. This is a pretty long Fibonacci. We're going back to December 2020. So we have at least 3-4 months that we've been doing this so far. Okay. New cipher was in a downtrend and it's still somewhat in a downtrend. You can see right here, that was your resistance. That was your resistance. You had resistance, 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 resistance. When you got above it, you turned it into support. And now you're falling just a little bit more. Is it going to continue to fall more? Let's go see. Do we have any leading indicators telling us otherwise? What's going to be happening? Oh, that's right. I have my stock to flow up. Let's get rid of that real quick. And then we're going to take a look at the moving averages as well. Okay. First thing that I'm seeing on the MACD over here for new cipher was you were having this negative momentum moving to the upside. You started printing your green, you came back, you got the touch, and now you're being held up by horizontal support. Right there. That's your horizontal support. So that was bullish in itself. It doesn't look like it's played out yet. Does not look like it's played out yet, and it's probably taking a little bit of a drop because Bitcoin is going down just a little bit. So areas of support that you're going to want to be looking for new cipher, and you're really low. Look at your RSI. You're really low over here. Really low. But eventually, you're going to start making newer highs. We're in a bull market. Don't forget that. New cipher is just taking a bit of a break. It pumped. I mean, gosh, guys, look at this. If you would have got into new cipher, let's see, January 13th, right? We're talking about a little over a month ago. That's it. A little over. If you told my grandpa, hey, grandpa, you're going to go up 640% in a month and a half. Okay? You're gonna times 7 your portfolio. My grandpa would probably slap me in the face. He'd say, nope, you're a liar. Okay? So you're having a bit of a cool off. You haven't really had that cool off. You had consolidations right here, right here, right here. And now you're having more consolidation. You're having more consolidation. Areas that you want to be looking for that you don't want to drop below are going to be that 1618. You do not want to get down here. If you do, you better get the resumption off. And if you don't, if you get down below there, you're in trouble.
Okay.
Don't drop below there. Stay above. Catch that support. If that happens, I'm just saying if, guys, you could catch your support right now. You can see how this has been support through here this whole time. You got below it. It was resistance, and then you turned it into support. Big support back here. That was the resistance back here. Okay. This is a pretty crucial area for new cipher right now. You could wick down, but get above it. Get above it. Stay above it. When you do that, test that as support, you're going to be coming up and hitting 83 cents. We've been talking about this 83 cents for a while. It's going to take some time. You have to be patient. Like I said, we just pumped up over in a month and a half, 600%. Let it take a break. Let it take a break. If you want to get in on this coin, let it take a break. Where are your buy entries going to be at? Are they going to be down here? Are they going to be over here? I don't know. Don't break below 57 cents. Hold up this 67 cent area as supports. Get the bounce up, and let's go hit that 2618. Okay? Let's go hit that 2618. Let's look at a daily. Dailies have more weight, a lot more weight to them. And let's go take a look at the MACD and your RSI. So look at that. You're starting to finish up your histogram. Look at your red over here. You're starting to bottom out. Look at this bottom. You're starting to bottom out. It's going to be a little bit more, a little bit longer. Probably we're looking at, I bet you finish up this red histogram by the 13th of March. I bet that happens right there. You finish up the red on the histogram. That's just a prediction of mine. And then you get your 12 and 26 day moving averages. Ew, that's ugly. 26 and 12 day moving average. Going to be getting the cross. That is the entry point. That is the entry point. When you start getting that cross, you finish up that red on the histogram, and you start printing green on the histogram over there. It's not over. It's not over. Just taking a bit of a breather. It's looking good, man. It's looking really good. Not bearish at all. Not bearish at all. Are you patient? Are you patient enough? Can you hold? Can you do it? Because if you do that, the reward is going to be, and this is our target, $1.63. That's going to be the reward. That's more than double than where we are right now. It's 103%. Double your portfolio. That's the goal. That's what I'm looking at. Okay. We have our supports. We have our resistances. I want to hang out with the chat for a little bit. What's going on, chat? Where'd it go? I just lost it. I can use this one right here. What's up, Craig? How you doing, bro? Nimbus Quest. Let's see. Lesic, hello. Bitcoin dropped below 47,000. Went to buy the dip. Price over. Where is Bitcoin right now? I'm curious. Having a bit of a drop right now. A little bit. Yeah, it's having a bit of a drop. Nothing wrong with that though. Totally fine. Like I said, we're probably going to be catching this horizontal support somewhere like around right there. You can see that was resistance, and then it turned into support, and it was resistance, support, and oh yeah, really good resistance back here, hard resistance. Then you flipped it into support over there. Let's get the bounce. Let's get the bounce. Don't know if it's going to be over. I have no idea. Andre, hello. How are you, man? People are starting to understand the scam. Coins are falling like a brick. Are you a bear, Andre? I'm sorry if you are. I'm sorry if you've lost hope. I think you need to zoom out on the charts, Andre, so you can see what's going on. See the bigger picture about things. These are the times. These are the times. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is where I'm buying. I wasn't buying all the way going up here. I was not buying. I had bought when we were down here. I had picked up some more. I mean, guys, I've been holding Bitcoin for a while. I was buying back here. This is where I started buying. Did you know why I started buying way back there? Because we were breaking out of a major trend. Or we were about to. We were about to break out of this major trend. Where was that? Right there. I was looking at the indicators. It was looking really bullish. I was like, man, $8,900 Bitcoin, $9,200 Bitcoin, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. And that was less than a year ago. Less than a year ago, picking up my Bitcoin right over here. I think this scared a lot of people. That scared a lot of people, definitely. But when we broke out of that resistance, going through this bear market, that was so bullish. Boom. You came back for the retest and you took off. And what happened? Expect to double. Expect to double. And we more than doubled. We've more than doubled that, guys. Look at this. How are you bearish? How are you bearish on this coin right now? Like how? I guess people like Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, Square, PayPal. I guess all those people are just going into the scam and are going to get screwed out of their money, right? Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful. Mr. Wonderful and Mark Cuban from Shark Tank. Guys, we're talking about major investors here. Billionaires. getting into Bitcoin, seeing the potential, seeing that it is a reserve asset. You can't hold it in USD. You can't hold it in USD. Let's go look at USD right now. Let me show you USD. Okay, here's the US dollar. Here is the US dollar. Ever since that thing happened, this disease happened, look how much the dollar has fallen. Look how much the dollar has fallen. 2% a year depreciation for the USD. Nobody wants to hold on to dollars. If you're holding on to dollars, you're losing money. Why would you want to do that? Okay, let's go buy gold. That's not a good reserve asset either. I know a lot of gold bugs in here are probably going to be like, come on, Leland, don't say that. That's not cool. I'm just being honest with you. I'm just being honest. You could hedge your money against something else that's going to be going up much more. And every week, every month that passes by, you always hear, oh, we found a new gold mine. Okay, well, you already know what happens. You start finding more gold, that's just going to devalue gold more and more and more. It's heavy. It's hard to carry. You can't transport it as easy. You want to move $1 million worth of gold, you're probably going to be spending $100,000 just to move it. Okay? It's old technology. It's old precious metals, and it's time for the new era. We're in the digital world now. We're in a digital world. Look, this is the US dollar. Going back to 1986. 1986. And it's just been dropping. I believe the dollar has lost over 90% of its value since the 70s. And we don't even have the data back here because, I mean, really, I don't even think they were able to have the technology back then to start charting this stuff, you know? So why would you hold your money in USD? Why would you go buy bonds? Why would you go buy a 15-year, a 30-year bond? If you know that the depreciation rate on the US dollar is 2% a year, okay, great. You hold on to your 30-year bond in US dollars for the next 30 years, and you just lost 60% of your money. Are you crazy? Why would you do that? Why do you think MicroStrategy is trying to sell their bonds right now? They have $900 million worth of bonds, and they can't sell them. Nobody will buy them. Nobody wants them. Guys, this is the start of something new. It's innovative. It's hardwired. It's engineered perfectly. Bitcoin is engineered perfectly, in my opinion. Don't be scared about these small drops that we're having. Because on the grand scheme of things, this is nothing. This is really nothing. Look at this. Look at this. Okay? Are you patient? Can you hold? I am. I don't know what you guys are doing, but I'm holding Bitcoin. 5 years, 10 years. It's my retirement. It's my insurance for just in case if something happens. We're doing TAs right now, guys. We're doing live TAs. I think the 187 people in here, that is the most people I've ever had in a live stream. If you guys can get me to 100 likes, I'll do a free TA. I'll do a free TA. Thank you so much for being here, guys. So, let's move on. What are we going to go look at? Let's take a look at ETH. Let's take a look at ETH. I'm so bullish on ETH. I love ETH. If you were in the chat yesterday, we talked about how we broke all-time highs with ETH. And we started moving to the upside. Let me get my chat back. I had my chat open over here. And then it, there it is. And then it disappeared. There we go. Much better. Hey, what's up, Sam? Let's go. What's up, Sam? How are you? Alex, hello. Noah, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome. Thank you. These are new names. I'm seeing a lot of new names in here. Seeing a lot of new names. Thank you for joining us. Keith, hello. How are you doing? We're doing TAs. Minimum contribution of $10 for a TA. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. You let me know what coin you want to look at, and I'm going to be showing you your targets, your supports, your pickup zones, everything. Everything about the coin. It's a really good way of feeling confident and really comfortable with your positions and what's going to be happening. But check out, let's see. Let me get a horizontal resistance in, or support over here, because it was resistance before. But look, ETH, back over here, January 2018, you broke it. You broke it. You came back, you got the retest, and now you're getting the resumption off. That's beautiful. That's exactly what I want to see. Real, how did you get that name? I didn't even know that you could get a name like that. I thought YouTube would have blocked that out. You guys see Real's name I'm not going to say it because YouTube's got rules and what, you know? Stock market sell-off right now. The dollar is pumping. I doubt that. I don't think the dollar is going to be pumping. Don't we have like a $1.9 trillion stimulus that got voted on? I know the House passed it. I know the Senate either passed it or they're about to pass it. But Biden already says, yeah, that's happening. That's pretty much happening. Let's print more money. Printers go burr. Oh, this tea is so good. And it's snowing out and it's just so cozy. I'm hanging out with my chat here. I love it. Doing TA? What more could you want? Oh, that's so good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so good. I feel better. So, yeah, ETH, guys, the ecosystem for ETH is so massive. It's so big, guys, that these ETH killers like Cardano or Polkadot, I don't think they really are ETH killers. People say, oh, yeah, they're ETH killers. Nope. Yeah, ETH has problems. The fees are crazy high, but they're going to fix them. It'll happen. The ecosystem for Ethereum is so massive. I don't know if you guys understand, but 98% of all stablecoins run off of the Ethereum blockchain. Did you guys see that a few months ago, the OCC came out and told banks, they said, if you're going to use cryptocurrency, which by the way, you're allowed to, if you're going to use cryptocurrencies, you can use a private blockchain or you can use a public blockchain. They're going to be playing catch up if they start using a private blockchain. They could try, they could do it, but it's centralized. Nobody wants that. That's what we're trying to move away from, okay? So their next option for stablecoins, for any public stablecoins, is going to be on the Ethereum network. Do you guys realize what that means? That could be massive. One day. Hey, what's up, House of War? Thank you for the €750, man. I really appreciate that. I don't know if I don't want to like nickel and dime it here, but we have rules. Rules is rules. Yeah, that's $9 in USD, bro. You're gonna have to send a little more. I'm sorry. Those are the rules. So you have this ecosystem that is massive, that has so many tokens and protocols that are laying on top of it. I just strongly believe that banks are going to be using the Ethereum network. Amazon Web Services is using the Ethereum blockchain right now. I believe that happened yesterday or the day before. But Amazon is using Ethereum's blockchain. Guys, think about that. That is crazy. Ethereum, I believe, one day is probably going to be surpassing the market cap of Bitcoin. That's my opinion. That's what I think. Some of you are probably upset that I said that. I'm sorry. But it's true. It's true. Ethereum is an asset, and Bitcoin is an asset, and Ethereum is a platform. The platform is going to get way more attention. Bitcoin's something you hold on to hedge against, inflation or deflation or inflation. Deflation. And then you have Ethereum's platform, which just can support so many tokens. It's great. Okay. I'm ranting. I'm starting to rant a little too much here. What's up, Keith? Hello. How you doing? Welcome. Shane. K, bruh. $9. K. You know what? You're right. You're right, guys. You're right. Okay, let's go ahead and let's go take a look at, can we have it take a look at the let me see. Are we on Bitcoin pair? Really? You want to take a look at that coin? I've never heard of that coin. Okay, no, I appreciate that. Thank you, House. Yeah, thank you. It's a minimum of $10, guys. Those are the rules. I'm sorry. I'm not asking for a lot here. For the price of lunch, you can get a TA. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. I have one Bitcoin. I have two Bitcoin pairs. Are you sure you want it in a Bitcoin pair? We totally can. Totally can, dude. This is what the pros use. This is what the pros use when they're charting. That one looks probably the best right now. Oh, that's interesting. Wow, this is going up more than Bitcoin right now. So I don't know what coin this is. Arweave? I don't even know. I have no idea. Okay, did I chart this before? What is that? Oh my gosh. That was price action. Are you kidding me? What happened in between there? That is crazy. I don't even know what that is. Okay. You have areas of support and resistance right there and right there. You're going to be having ones above as well, probably right there. That's going to be your area. You are breaking to the upside, looking really good. This is going crazy against Bitcoin right now. It's doing better than Bitcoin ever since January. Yeah, since the beginning of this year, this thing's been outperforming Bitcoin by quite a bit. Compared to Bitcoin, it's up 400%, or at least at the peak, that's where it was. So you're above. So we got 0.0002 Bitcoin. You want to stay above that area right here. You can see how that area over here was support, and then when you flipped it, it became resistance. You can see that resistance hitting right here. Right there, you hit that resistance, and you came up. You hit your next area of resistance over here, and how we know that was resistance is here and here. Exactly. Yeah, and you hit it perfect. You hit it really perfect. So those are the areas that you really want to stay in between. You don't want to drop below. Come over here. If you come over here and you drop below this area, that's not good, dude. You just put in so much work to get up into this area, to get over to the 0.0002 Bitcoin. Can we take a Fibonacci? Yeah, I think we can. Let's drop the opacity on these trend lines over here. Okay. Swing high to swing low. Okay, cool. Looking good. You are above. Oh, you're just below it. So you hit that resistance over here at the 0.0003. Why do you want this charted in Bitcoin, dude? Why? I don't know why you would want to chart it in Bitcoin. Why wouldn't you want to hedge it against the dollar? Or I guess whatever, I don't know. Anyways, so you're trying to get above the 618 over here, which is 0.0002 Bitcoin. Get above that, and your next area of resistance is going to be this last all-time high over here at 0.0003 Bitcoin. This is just so silly. I don't know why. It's fine. The 2618 is going to be the next area of resistance after that, but you have to get above the 618 before you can get up to the 2618. That's a lot of room. That's a lot of room. And by the way this thing's been moving, more than likely that's going to happen. More than likely that's going to happen. Where are you going right now? Let's go take a look at... Okay, so you're about to have a cross. We're on a 4-hour. You had a hidden bullish divergence back here, where you had negative momentum going to the downside while price action was moving to the upside right there. So, and that played out. That played out really nicely. After you were bottomed out right here, you could take a measured move from that bottom to the top, and that was 88%. 88% difference in there. So, hidden bullish divergence played out. You pumped 88%, hedged against Bitcoin, and then... and here's the thing, though, is your strength is weakening right now, okay? Your strength is weakening, and that's probably because Bitcoin is starting to go up. It's starting to go up, and that's just in the Bitcoin pair. If you were to look at it in US dollar, it would be a different story, but you wanted it in the Bitcoin pair, so that's what we're doing. So you're weakening against Bitcoin currently, right now. Don't be surprised if you come down and you start dropping, and you come down to the... Here, let's get out of that real quick. You know what? Let's take a look at the daily real quick on these. Yeah, look, your daily's up here too. So your 4-hour and your daily are up here, and you're already printing your green. You're already getting your 12 and 26 day moving oscillators over here. You're going to be crossing here pretty soon. And like I said, that's because Bitcoin is going up. So areas of support that you're going to want to look for. Let's come over here. Areas of supports. You definitely don't want to get below 0.0002 on your Fibonacci over here. You get below that, and then you're going to start moving downwards. Bitcoin's probably going to start pumping, and then that's going to take attention away from this altcoin, whatever this altcoin is. So don't get below that right there. That's your support. It's okay if you come down and touch the golden mean ratio right here at the 0.0025. 0.0025. That's okay. That's okay. Really, get the bounce over here. If you get the bounce off of that, that's good. It's going to be looking good. We are in a bull run. Altcoins it is alt season. They're taking a bit of a break right now, but this one looks like it's going to be taking a little bit more of a break just based off of the data that I'm having. So that's really it, man. I really don't have a whole lot for you on this one. It's moving. Okay, you're above the 618 right now. It's going, but you got to stay above that 618, dude, and then you'll take off. And then you'll take off and be coming over here. Like I said, break that last resistance that you had right there, and then you're coming over to the 2618, which is 0.00039 Bitcoin. That's a lot of gains. It's quite a lot of gains from here to there. This is paired in Bitcoin, so it's 35% paired in Bitcoin. Imagine what that's going to be in US dollars. That's really it, man. Okay, we have our supports, we have our targets, we know where we're going to be going. You're having a bit of a bearish cross on the 4-hour and the daily, so don't be surprised if you come down a little bit lower. I'm just saying. I'm trying to grow my Satoshi instead of dollars. The charts in dollars is very different. Sorry, man. No, hey, man, this is what you wanted. And so I'm going to give it to you. If that's how you are using it in units, totally fine. That's totally up to you. Totally fine. Rafflecopter attack. Wow. Do we have a WoW player in here? I love that name. DXY 91.7. Meh. I'm not worried about that, man. Really not. Why is the crypto market taking a dump today? Who's manipulating? I want answers. Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. We're totally fine. We're totally fine. It's just a little bit red today. Can't be green every day. Got to go down sometimes. But I mean, where are you guys buying? These are the times. Are you going to be picking up some more? Where are your entries? Sebastian, GRT to the moon. Yeah, man, for sure. William Z, it's taking a dump. It took a laxative. It took a bunch of papaya. It ate a bunch of papaya, and it's acting like a monkey. We have Adri. That's not Adrian. I don't know how to read. I went to a public school. I can only read charts. What about Chills? Had a massive pump today. It's sports. It's a sports non-fungible token. Dude, non-fungible tokens are hot. They really are. I mean, just across the art industry, the gaming industry. I think you could start using like non-fungible tokens for like medical records. Obviously you couldn't sell them, but you could log all your data and it would be yours forever. I don't know. Are we going to start giving people their own address and put people on the blockchain? Is that how they're going to start tracking people? It's supposed to be decentralized. Mr. Christopher Metro, sorry, I just joined the video. What's a general TA on Bitcoin right now? We're going down to 42. We looked at Bitcoin before, dude. You can actually go in the back or rewind a little bit and go take a look at that. You can always do it afterwards too. You don't have to do it right now. Oh, man, it's good. Portal Mind. How do you even get NFTs? Good question, dude. I really don't know. I've read about them. I know about them, but I don't know how to do it or where to get them or whatever. I have kind of like a specific set of coins that I hang out with and that I stay with. Look, you're getting that bounce right now on Bitcoin. Getting that bounce. Let's hold it. Let's get it. Let's get that close on that 4 hour. We got 45 minutes. Hey, what's up, Robbie? Thank you for the 10, bro. Really appreciate that. Thoughts on BOA? Absolutely, dude. Absolutely, we can take a look at BOA. For show. You got BOA. Let's go check it out. BOA. We have one US dollar. I got one. What is this? What coin is this? Let me look it up real quick. BOA coin. BOA. Yo, what's up, Scott C? Thank you for the 10 euro. Really appreciate that. Can you please do Polygon Matic? Yes. The RSI in MACD says it's ready to pump. However, I'm a complete novice. That's okay, man. Nothing wrong with that. Learn. That's all you can do. Oh, BAO. My bad. BAO. Oh. There we go. I got it. Okay, USD. That's it. I got one. Better hope it has some data, man. I really hope it has some data. BOA, US dollar. Why are there two of them? Oh, right. That's right. That was the. Is that right? That's it. That's the coin. That one's not it. It's BAO. BAO Finance. Dude, are you serious? Is this the coin? Come on. No way. There's no way this is the coin. Crap. BAO token. USD. It's on a crypto exchange. Are you sure? No way. There's no way. How the heck is this thing not going? BAO. Yeah, dude, that's... Let me see if I can find another one. That's the same thing. This is what I'm getting. Okay. This is, this looks terrible. What is this? What coin is this? I really hope this is the right one. BOA Finance. Let me try that. BAO. Damn it. BAO Finance. This is the same one. This is the one I'm looking at right now. That's all I have. That's literally all I have. Okay, dude. Yeah. We can take a look at this. Let's see. Is this the token? Can you just verify that I'm looking at the right chart here? Robbie? Can you just tell me, like, hey, yeah, that's the chart that we need to be looking at? Because this is from February 3rd. So this is very, very, very new. Typically with these very new tokens like this, it's really hard to do TA. I mean, I can try, but it's in price discovery mode right now, man. It's in price discovery mode. No bueno, Joe. Yeah, no bueno. No bueno. It's okay. Hey, I'm gonna start charting this. But it's not, guys. I just want to show you. This is a perfect example of what not to ask for these tokens that just came out and they're brand new. I have no data. I have like no data to work against. This is all I have. I can't do much with it. I can kind of try to see what's going to be happening, but man, when this thing's released over here, it released for 1/3 of a penny, and now it's all the way back down to 1/10 of a penny right now. So it's in price discovery mode. You might have some kind of supports, and I'm telling you right now, it's going to be a really shitty TA, dude. I'm just letting you know right now, it's going to be really shitty. Hold on. I got my things all messed up. Go put the opacity up on here. Let me just make sure. Robbie, I think you are. Okay, man. You got it. Here it is. Okay, so you have a little bit of supports right here. Support back here at 1/10 of a penny. And you held it once, twice, 3 times you broke below it. But then you started going back up. And then you turned it back into support. And that's where you are right now. If we go, I can't look at this on a 4-hour. I know this is going to be really silly. I have to go like a smaller time frame so this can play out a lot better. Okay. Man, I don't know. I don't really know. You had negative momentum moving to the upside. Over here on the 1 hour, this is not going to have any weight, dude. I'm telling you this right now. Not going to have any weight. This thing could do anything. So be careful with this. Negative momentum moving to the upside as you have price action moving down. It might be hitting this support. Do you have any trends? Dear God, dude. Why do you care about this coin? There's so much other potential with other coins and other tokens. Like, why do you care about this? I'm just curious. You have a bit of a trend right there. You're being held down. Does it go back up here? Ugh. You can't get anything out of it. You might be forming a descending... I mean, that's what it looks like to me. And it tried breaking down multiple times. This might be a descending wedge or a descending triangle with your support, resistance. You're starting to get tighter and tighter. And you're hanging out towards the support over here, towards the apex of this triangle. Maybe potential triangle. I don't know. Maybe. It might be. I'm not really sure. It's really hard to do TA on these very new coins like that. So, yeah, you might break down to the downside. Maybe. It's so hard to do TA on this. I'm going to try to pull up a MACD, but it's not going to give me anything. Guarantee it. Yep, nothing. Yeah, man, sorry. I don't really know what to tell you here with this coin. I can't give you an honest TA. I can't tell you exactly what I think is going to be happening with this because there's no data. There's nothing to go off of. There's nothing. I mean, I could try to pull up a fib. Maybe this swing high down to this swing low over here. Yeah, I mean, it's looking bad. It's looking really bad. You're using this 236 right here as resistance, and you're getting rejected off of it. You could see where it was once support right here, and then you couldn't hold it over here. You just got rejected, and then you got rejected again. Sorry, dude. I got nothing for you. I got nothing for you on this coin. I can't tell you where the supports or resistances are going to be going at all. I'm sorry. I really do apologize. I wish we could. I wish I could give you more over here. Scott wanted to look at Matic. Yeah, dude. Let's go look at Matic. We were looking at Matic yesterday. Matic. Which one did I have my lines on? Was it this one or that? I think it was this one. Yeah. Uh-oh. Matic broke down. It was in an ascending wedge. We were kind of expecting that. Matic breaking down. Oh, we're on a 1 hour. Get out of here. I don't want to see that 1 hour. Yeah, so you were forming an ascending wedge, which was a bearish pattern to begin with. We were looking at this either yesterday or the day before. I can't remember. And I remember saying that this was a bearish pattern. Most likely we're going to be getting a move to the downside. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Because you had your cross over here that was very bearish. You were really high on your oscillators on your 12 and 26 day moving average, and then you took a dump. You're taking a break out of it. Okay, knowing this, I'm not looking for moves to the upside. I'm looking for support. Let's get rid of everything. And typically, with these moves like this, you can take a Fibonacci. You go from the bottom to the top. Okay, we're looking for support now, not moves to the upside. Where are we going to catch those supports? Okay, normally when you're looking for supports, you're looking to come test this 1618 down over here. That's going to be 15 cents, high 15 cent area. You could go. You could probably might get a bounce over at 17.7, 17 cents and 7. That's a very popular area for a bounce when you have a breakdown. So be looking for these two areas, 17.7, and then you're also going to be looking at 15.8 as well. Get below The 15.8, that's not good, dude. You're starting to retrace even more, okay? That's what these Fibonacci's mean, okay? These are all in percentages. So the 382, that literally translates to 38.2% of a retrace down. 0.5, 50% retrace to the downside. That's really where you want to see your bounces, at the 50% retrace. Yeah, you could go down and hit 61% retrace down, but anything below 61%, 61.8% of a retrace, now you're shifting. You're starting to move away from this uptrend that you had on Matic, and I don't think that's going to happen, because like I said, we're in a bull market. You're in a bull market. Do we have a support level? Yeah, somewhere right about. Where is that support? Where can we catch support? That could be a support level. Definitely. That could definitely be a support level. Look how this level, this trend line over here, was acting as support. Support, you broke down, and then it was resistance. Resistance, you got above it, support. Support. And then you broke down a little bit over here. That's okay. You got back above it. No problem. So this is going to be an area that you're going to want to look for. If you were to drop right now, you would be coming down to about 18.6, 18 cents 6 or 18.6. But just like how this happened back here, you could break below it. That's true. And then get right back above it. But you got to get back above it. If you don't, you start testing it as resistance. Man, it's going to be looking pretty bad. That doesn't mean that it can't get back above. Yeah, absolutely. It can definitely get back above. But you want to hold this support. You've been holding it for quite some time. This is a pretty long trend. We're looking at January 21st. And it might actually, does it go back further? No, that doesn't. So you've been holding this trend for a month and a half. Keep holding that trend. Let me go back to the indicators. Let me see. Okay, so you're finishing up your... It looks like you might be finishing up your histogram over here. So you had your cross. It went down, and it looks like you could be bottoming out. It could be bottoming out. If that happens, that's really good. Then you'll be looking for that negative momentum moving to the upside. You could see that rate. Oh, wait a minute. No. Hidden bullish divergence. Right there. As price action was moving up. Kind of. I would say that could be hidden bullish divergence right there. This one's tricky. This one's really tricky. That might play out, dude. That might play out. You could be getting the cross. You could be finishing up. If you go lower on your histogram, that's not bad. Like I said, be looking out for the supports. Let me get this bigger. Get this bigger over here. Hey, thank you so much for the 94 likes. Holy crap. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that sub button if you haven't joined already. You're going to want to get these updates. You'll get the updates from when the live streams happen. It's a good time. So get that cross over here. Like I said, the MACD is a lagging indicator. So this thing could decide that could be the bottom, or you could touch. You're really close. You're really close over here. These are really the pickup zones. We're approaching them right now. You have your RSI over here sitting at 42. Really low. Really low. That's good. It could go down more. But do you want to risk it? Do you want to risk it for it to go down lower? It could. Are your hands strong? I don't know. It's up to you. These might be some pickup areas. Might be some pickup areas for now. So get that bounce right here at the 19.5 cents. It is possible. You could even come down to like 19 cents, high 18 cents if you were to just drop right now. That's possible. Catch this bottom right here. Catch that bottom. I know we were talking about the 0.5 and the 0.6, but now that we pulled up this trend line, that would be breaking a trend line, and that wouldn't be good. So hold that as support. Once you get above that support over here, then we can start looking to the upside. Get that cross on the MACD. You're really low right now. This might be pickup areas. They really might be. I have a really nice Fibonacci that I can draw right here. Really nice Fibonacci. You're testing previous all-time highs. back here right now. You're catching it as support. Hold that support. Like I said, you really want to hold that support. You could possibly come back down to the 886, maybe, but you got to get back above it. You definitely got to get back above it. It's not looking terrible. These might be the pickup zones. Who knows? But your next area of resistance is going to be 22 cents, 23 cents. Let's say 23. That's really close to 23 cents. 23 cents is going to be the next area of resistance. So get above that, and then you're looking at 24 cents, 26 cents, and then 36 cents. That's about it. That really is about it. Looking good, though. I mean, but, man, you got to hold. You're at it right now. You really have to hold. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens with Matic. Hey, Steven Donahue. Hello. How are you? New cipher has to do something. Yeah, it does. I agree with you. Adrian, can you check on ORN, please? We've been, let's see, been live streaming for an hour and a half, hour 45 so far. I think we're going to start wrapping it up here pretty soon. So if anybody wants to take a look at one more coin, we could do one more coin if you guys want to. But it's already starting to get a little drained. Scott C. Thanks, Leland. You're welcome, dude. You're welcome. Thanks for requesting the coin. Thanks for the contributions. It's going to help me. These contributions are going to help me get a camera. I need to get a live streaming camera, and I have to get one that's going to work with my mic because I have a whole separate mic, and I'm not really sure how that works. I have to link both of them. I think there's some kind of input or something that I need to do with it, but I want to get a camera so you guys can see my face. I know people like to see people's faces. It's more personable. I want to get some lights. I don't have to. I really, it's just the camera. I want to get the camera. I don't really care what's in the background of me. I want to get a camera, a second monitor, because it's really hard to do TA with just one monitor. I need to have at least one more monitor that I can do my TAs on. So that's where your contributions are going towards. So thank you. Thank you, everyone who's helping out. I really appreciate it. Let's see, Matish, 2 more likes to 100. Oh yeah, look at that, one more. Hey, we did it! First ever 100 likes in a live stream. Thank you so much, guys. First ever. That's crazy. I think this was the first live stream that I ever had like almost 200 people watching at once, which lets me know that I'm probably going to be doing my live streams around this time. I'm going to start doing my live streams around this time because I was doing it at 4 o'clock my time, Mountain Time, which is in like 3.5 hours from now. It's too late. I think that's too late for a lot of people. So our live streams are probably going to start happening around 10:30 Mountain Time. I really think that's going to happen. TA with cameras and then do GRT. You guys want to see my face do the GRT? You know how much hate I get for that? I get so much hate. You guys know how much hate mail I get? I get so many haters. Oh, it's so crazy. I mean, I get like 99% love. Don't get me wrong. But man, I get those messages from these people. They're just mean. Mean people. Like, what's their problem? Why are you mad, bro? They probably lost on their portfolio. And then they come over to me and they find my channel and they're going, oh, this guy was right. I should have just been listening to this guy. I did Orchid yesterday. If you missed it, yeah, check out the live stream yesterday. Someone, we did that yesterday. The way you can do it is just like grab the time, like the cursor thing going back and forth, and then look for the Giants ticker symbol that I have now at the top right. You see, that's nice, guys, right? That you can see the actual ticker. You can see what chart we're going to be looking at. So you can go fast forward through the live streams and just go look for Matic or Bitcoin or whatever that you're looking for. I need to start putting timestamps, and I'm going to start doing that. So after this video, I'm going to go put timestamps in so that when people come back and they look at the live stream, they'll be able to see exactly where those timestamps are. So it can help you out. Get those free TAs. Why not? I mean, if other people are paying for them, it works. Haters can't understand this. Leland is already a legend. Aw, dude, thanks, dude. I appreciate that. I appreciate you, dude. Yeah. But a lot of people just don't understand TA. A lot of people just, I don't know. They tell me they hate my thumbnails. They hate my thumbnails. I don't know what it is about the thumbnails, but when they tell me that, I shut down. I get so sad. I'm like, why am I letting these kids hate on me, man? But anyways, so I think we're going to start wrapping this up, guys. I really appreciate everyone that has come by. Thank you for the contributions. Like I said, that's going to be helping me get a live streaming set. I think eventually I do want to get some nice patterns for the background. I want to get like some Bitcoin things, like some plush pillows, and so I just want it to make it look professional. I want this live stream to be successful, and I need lights. I need lights for those cameras. There's things to do. I'm new, guys. I'm new. I've only been doing this for 2 months. Think about that. I've only been doing this for 2 months, and we're almost at 5,000 subscribers already. Whoa. Man, hit the ground running. I've been so busy every day trying to get everything set up. Like, I spent about 2 hours yesterday just figuring out how I'm going to do the settings for the live stream. I had to go calculate like what my upload speeds were, and then do that with the bit rate, and then try to get the best quality that I could. And I was just tweaking it over and over. We could thank Carl. Carl was like, dude, your live streams suck. They look like crap. And I'm like, I know, dude, I'm sorry. I'm going to go fix it right now. But hadn't he said that, I wouldn't be able to improve myself. So please give me some constructive criticism. Let me know. Tell me about these things so I can be better. So I can be better for you guys. And that in a year from now, when I'm sitting at like 40,000 subscribers and you guys are a part of it, you guys were really the OGs. You guys really were the OGs. What's up, Wesley? Woodworth, I have a brand new monitor that I can donate to you. No way, dude. Get out of here. You can donate me a monitor? That would be insane. That would be really... Dude, if you're serious, I would love to. I would love to take you up on that offer. Join the Telegram down below. If the link isn't working, I think Emmy can... You know what? No, I'll do it for you right now. Come private message me, dude. I would really appreciate that if you did that. That would really help out. That would really help out a lot. Here's the there's the link for the Discord. It doesn't show. Oh, it does. Okay. Go in there and look for me. You can type my name. It's gonna be @CryptoGrenade, and I'll get a message, and then we can do a private chat. I would appreciate that, dude. Thank you so much. Wow. A brand new monitor for free? Shoot, dude. You can have like 5 TAs for free. I'll give you like whenever you want. That's amazing. Thank you, Wesley. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Jewel, Crypto Grenade. Do you think are we getting a second dip? Let me see. Where are we at? Nah. No, I think we just went down and we hit support before we have the resumption back off. It looks like that area support is being held up right now. You can see that area support, and this was resistance back here. It could go lower. That's fine. That's fine with me, at least. We could see a bit of a bounce. If we go to a smaller time frame, like a 1 hour, which I typically don't like. Yeah, look at that bounce you're getting on that 1 hour. Yeah, you might be getting that bounce right now. You could be finishing up that red on that histogram. It looks like it did print. It was at this, the light red, and then it went to dark red. Two giant or 3 bars down there that went to light red. But nevertheless, look where your oscillators are. Your 26 and your 12 and 26 day moving average. Those could cross down here. You finish up that histogram and you can start moving more. That would be the bounce. That could definitely be the bounce. Oh yeah, dude. No, look, you came down and you hit the 30. You hit the 30. That probably is the bounce right there, in my opinion. You probably will get the bounce right there. You were overbought on the 1 hour. Okay, we're looking at a very, very short time frame. Very, very short. It was your high over here. You were overbought. You came down. You were taking a bit of a break, and then you are overbought, oversold. Now you're oversold, and you might be getting that bounce off right now to move to the upside. So I think that might be it for right now. But this is a very short time frame. Very short time frame that doesn't have a whole lot of weight. What's up, Apex Legends, fam? Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. A lot of love. Lots of love to you. Telegram link defo works. Sweet. Thanks, Emmy. Good to see you here, bud. Thanks for joining. Good to see you. That's my admin. Emmy has been with me since the beginning. Since the very beginning. That's my guy. Amir. Hello, Amir. Checks Super Trex indicator. Free one. Super Trex indicator? Sure, I'll try it out. Super Trex? Super Trend or Super Trex? Oh yeah, look at that. Super Trex. What is that? I've never seen this before. Oh, whoops. Here, let's get rid of... I really need to upgrade my trading view. It's starting to become to where I do need the expanded version. Super Trex. What is this? Oh, cool. Yeah, buy, sell, buy, sell. Oh, that's interesting. Does it work on a 4-hour? Man, I wouldn't count that as... Oh, it's been pretty accurate in the past. That's nice. Doesn't really give you... Come on, load, dude. Let's go. Come on. I told you to buy right here. Oh, yeah, I don't know about that, man. It's got, you know, it's pretty accurate though. Buy down here. Buy. Yeah. I wouldn't rely on that 100%. Do your own research and then kind of maybe put 2 and 2 together. I'm going to save that. I'm going to save this one. Just so I can look at it in the future to see how well Super Trex. There's also a strategy one. Is this one different? Wait. Strategy. Is this for a longer time frame? I think it might be. That's interesting indicator though. Really interesting. Okay, it doesn't work on a date. Wesley, seriously, you want it? Yeah, dude, I'll take it. If you're gonna give me a free monitor, yeah. If it's gonna help me with my TAs, so I can deliver better for you guys, and you're wanting to give it away as a donation to the channel, hell yeah, dude, I'll take it. Thank you. Crypto Grenade, I'm asking because I'm thinking of shorting because it seems graph is replicating the 22nd. You're wanting to short Bitcoin or you're wanting to short the graph? I wouldn't be shorting anything right now. You're crazy if you want to short anything in crypto. Why? We're in a bull market. Why would you want to do that? Oh, I see. Look at these indicators over here. ×4, ×3. What is that? I don't even know what that is. I'll have to look that up to see exactly what the Super Trex is. I don't know what that is. Amir, hello. Strategy 1 has multiple time frame options. Okay. Gotcha. I'll play with that later, dude. That's kind of nice, though. An indicator to tell you when to buy and sell. I think across with multiple indicators, I would use that, maybe, possibly. But I wouldn't rely on it solely. I don't know if I would base my trading off of just that one indicator. Portal Mind, that Windows shutdown noise. No, that wasn't it.
My man.
Let's see, Amir is copying of this indicator. Lex, Algo, and etc. is copying this indicator. Oh, okay. Huh. Shorting Bitcoin, probably. You want to short Bitcoin? You're crazy. You're crazy. Why would you do that? Why would you do that right now? We're in a bull market. You're going to get liquidated, dude. I'd be very careful if I were you. I would be very careful with shorting Bitcoin. You think it's going to go down more? Where do you think it's going to go down to? Like, what's your entry level? I mean, well, I guess you're shorting it, so I don't know, dude. That does not sound like a good idea. I wouldn't do that personally. White Hulk. Oh, dude, yeah, you were in here a while ago. How you doing? What is the logo on the left of the live stream? NFT? That's my logo, dude. That's my crypto grenade. No, I don't think it's an NFT. I just made it. Something really simple. I just needed a logo. I need an artist, a graphic artist, to do some art for me. I really do. That would be really nice. Make some channel art. Please, someone hit me up. If you're an artist, you're a graphic artist, and you think you have ideas for my Crypto Grenade channel, let me know. Let's talk. I'm down. Look at H-bar. Woo! Up 20% today. See, not all crypto's doing bad. Whoa, it was up higher. Ooh, it was up higher too. What else do we got? Oh man, OGN 36%. What? Get out of here. Origin is up like crazy. Look, it's trying to break all-time highs. Was that all-time high? No, it wasn't. This is going back. Man, this was really fat. Look at that cup though. Look at that cup. Made the handle. Boom. Going off. Where's that breakout target? All right, I'm just going to do this one just because I want to see. I want to see where it could possibly go. The cup is not that deep. Is that a cup and handle? I don't know. It's really ugly, but let's say it is a cup and handle. Let's go to the top of the head right there. What if? What if it is a cup and handle? $1. That makes sense. That's a psychological resistance. That's very real. Yeah, Origin could probably go to $1. I don't know. Maybe. What else is up today? Polymath. Polymath is up today. Breaking. It went up and got rejected by the golden mean ratio. Not really sure. Joe, shorting now, you will get wrecked. Yeah, I agree, dude. I really don't think it's smart to try to short Bitcoin. Why? Why would you want to do that? Just doesn't make sense to me. I love that it's like we're getting towards the end of this live stream. And it's only 12. It's almost 1 o'clock for me. That's it. I love it, dude. Normally it's like live stream's done. Get ready to go to bed like afterwards. I'm definitely going to be start doing them earlier. I think around this like brunch, lunchtime is when I'm going to start doing them a lot more. I need to schedule it so that way you guys know when to come in. I really appreciate everyone who is here right now. Like, you guys make me feel so good. You make me feel really good about this. I'm gonna continue to do these things. 118 likes. I don't think I ever broke 60 or 70 likes in my previous live streams. And I think that's just the time difference. But I really appreciate it. You guys are so awesome. Oh, what did Jules say? I think it's starting to drop in 2 hours. It'll go down to 41,500. But would you, why would, I mean, that's not that much for Bitcoin going down to 41.5. If it went down to 41.5, like, oh, I guess that is, we're at 48, but still, why would you think we're going down to 41.5? Okay, that's valid. That's actually very valid. That might, what the, what the heck was that? 41.5, yeah, that's a very realistic drop. Very realistic, just because of that last high. That was the last high over here. Yeah, it could happen. Maybe, but man, why would you want to take that chance of it not happening? And then we just go higher. I don't know, dude. I would be longing Bitcoin if, I mean, that's just me. I've been longing Bitcoin for a while. I'm not looking to short it. Why would you short it? Based on MAs and patterns. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, if that happens, I'm buying. I wouldn't be shorting. Heck no. Fabio, what's up, dude? How you doing? We're in the buy zone for Bitcoin. Possibly. Very, very possibly. That might be. We don't know. We don't know where Bitcoin's going to go. And if anyone tells you where they know Bitcoin's going, they're scamming you. They don't know. I don't even know. I have no idea. Only try shorting on demo accounts and trading. Yeah, I think so too. I think that's a really good idea to get really good at shorting. But I really wouldn't be messing with like calls and buys at all. At all. That's risky business, especially with leverage trading. What are you going to do, like a short? A leveraged short? Get wrecked. Oh, that would suck. I would not want to be you if you did that. Matt, hello, how are you? Really love your channel. Been following you since GRT was 45 cents. Yeah, dude. You remember when we were all the way down there and I was telling you guys, hang on, we're going to $1. And that's not it. We're going higher. And we did it, bro. Started from the bottom. Now we're here. I had so much hope. I just know. I really do believe GRT is going to be going up to $20. I really do. I bought your book. Really like to do my own TA at high level. And have you thought about doing tutorials? Yes, dude. Okay, so that's actually going to be happening. There's going to be a membership. Okay, listen. There's going to be a membership where you guys come in and you pay X amount. And I'm going to be teaching you. There's going to be videos. There's going to be course. Here. Right here. The course. This is the course, okay? I have a rubric. Whether that's going to be through a Patreon or that's going to be through YouTube, some kind of membership program, I'm not sure. But this is literally how it's going to go. It's going to be, the course is going to, the first video is going to be chart patterns, then candlestick charts, trend lines, supports resistance, flag and pennant patterns, cup and handle, head and shoulders, double top, double bottom, Fibonacci, retracement, moving averages, moving average crossover, MACD, relative strength index. That's going to be the course. And you guys can come in. That's going to be happening here really soon. I don't know if I'm going to do it through Patreon. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it through YouTube. I got to figure it out. YouTube likes to take 30% of my revenue. Those bastards. But I get it. You know, I'm running off their servers. It's expensive to live stream. It is. It's really expensive. They got to pay for the electricity. So, but that's fine. They can take that. So yeah, that's going to be the first course. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 videos. There's going to be a 13 video course just to give you a very good basis. These are all very easy, understandable. The only one that's not that easy and understandable, which I'll have to explain in depth, it's probably going to be one of the longest videos, is going to be Fibonacci retracement. But the Fibonacci's do not lie. It's an amazing indicator. You guys need to learn how to use Fibonacci's. It's perfect for crypto. Perfect. It works. It's respected so well. That's why I use Fibonacci all the time. That video is going to be a little bit longer. It'll be like a subscription-based kind of thing where I will do like one course and then I'll do a second course. So there'll be like a beginner, intermediate, and then like an advanced kind of technical analysis perspective. Everything that I show you guys on here is beginner stuff because I want you guys to be able to understand it. I'm not going to just come over here and just start throwing out hard technicals at you and then putting lines all over the place and then it's confusing. And you're like, what? That's not the way TA should be. It should be easy, clear, calculated, and you move forward. You have your entries, your exits, and boom. So that is coming. That is definitely coming. It's going to take a while. That's going to be a pretty big project for me, I feel. It's going to take me a while to get that set up. I will short to 41,500 and buy low. Jewel is saying Julito? I think it's Julito. I guess I just try 500 to see how it goes. Ah, man, I don't know. Okay, good luck. Good luck, man. Get wrecked. Lakers, congratulations, bro. Thank you. Thank you. And Jalen, if you do algo, I'll give you a like. Nice try. That's a good try. Robbie, pain ahead. Yeah. For Julito, I think so.
Bruh.
A lot of pain ahead. Would I short the market?
Nope.
No way. I'm buying Bitcoin and I'm waiting for it to go up because after that, it's payday. It's payday. What about ETH? What about ETH? I love ETH. ETH is probably one of my favorite coins. But once we break, guys, once we break 57, right here, once we break 57, do you guys realize the next run for Bitcoin is going to be crazy? Once we break $58,000, what does that mean?
Pussy.
You got it. That's right. We're going high, guys. Super high. I'm expecting like $70,000, $80,000 within the next month or two for Bitcoin. So trying to short it right now is just really not what I'm looking for. Really not what I'm looking for. You like that, Michael? He's got the crying emoji eyes. But yeah, I would long Bitcoin. I would not short it, long it. Those odds are much better with longing it than shorting it. But anyways. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping this up here. We've been live streaming for quite some time. I really enjoy hanging out and talking with you guys in the chat. I really do. I think that's way more fun for me than doing the TA itself. I'm going to start doing this a lot more with you guys. I appreciate you coming by. Thank you for all the contributions. The likes. Hit that like button on the way out. Hit that like button on the way out. I really appreciate you guys coming by. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye, have a great time.
Smoke weed every day. Got him!